The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has a number of new features, some of which we've already covered, but now we're going to share with you some more exciting Samsung features. One method to do this is to convert voice to text. Bennett Brunner, who rose to fame for divulging information about One UI 6.1, has revealed 6 more fascinating features that the Galaxy S24 series will offer. Additionally, you may convert recorded meetings or classes into written text for convenient access. You may even translate text into a variety of languages. A pair to find out additional details about any object you see on your screen, such a picture or web page. Circle the search button and press and hold the home icon. A more thorough Google search may be shown by tapping on it or by drawing a circle around it. You can translate conversations using the 3 built-in translators on the S24 using a feature in the Quick panel. The S24 contains 4 advanced editing features that are similar to those on the Pixel phone, allowing you to crop, resize, and move objects or subjects inside photos. You may choose to read or hear the translations. The 5th feature is Browser Help, which summarizes or translates long or multilingual web pages quickly. The 6th feature is Wallpaper Masking with the new wallpaper choice. In order to make a subject stand out, you may now choose one from a scene and apply artistic styles or eliminate the frame. Additionally, owners of the Galaxy S23 Z Fold 5 or Z Flip 5 have good news. One UI 6.0 is now available for most compatible Galaxy phones and tablets. There's also a redesigned calendar clock style that displays the time and your to-do list. Over the next several days, everyone will be anticipating the next major upgrade, UI 6.1. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will once again employ Exynos CPUs in Asian and European countries, while variants with Snapdragon chips may be offered in certain areas, according to recent sources. Exynos CPUs will be offered for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus in Europe, according to a recent report from Wind Future. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.